Thank you, students and staff. We've raised over 2,000 boxes, which is absolutely amazing.
Move it, baby. Move it, body.
I'm Travis Ackman. I'm the principal here at Valley View Elementary School. I'm here with Brooke Beatty, the kindergarten teacher, whose idea was all this behind us, a cereal Domino's. And we were going the last 2 weeks of collecting cereal boxes from our families. They're going to go to the Assurance Home and Roswell Disaster Relief. And we're just beyond excited about the number of cereal boxes that are lining our halls right now.
I saw the idea on Facebook and I sent it to our principal, Mr. Ackerman, and that was way back when we were all at home learning, and we kept the idea till we could actually get it going, and we made it happen. We're so excited. The families have really gone above and beyond to provide cereal for this donation, and it's very heartwarming, and it just shows what a beautiful sense of community we have right here at Valley View.
Absolutely. We had like 800 2 nights ago. We posted a little competition. Let's bring it up to 1,000. Let's bring it up to 1,500. And I just left my office and we're at 2,117 boxes. So thank you, Valley View families and the community, for helping us out and reach this goal. It is completely astonishing to see what's lining our hallways to help our communities.
And the kids are so excited.
Absolutely. Can't wait to knock them down. Thank you.
I'm Bobby Witchley from the Assurance Home, and today we're receiving some wonderful donations from Valley View Elementary School, and we want to thank them very much for their contribution to our cause there at the Assurance Home. They have a wonderful staff, and these children have done a remarkable job. We'd just like to say thank you from the Assurance Home for all the hard work and the effort that everybody has put into making this a success. And I thank everyone very much. Valley View, you have an amazing staff, an amazing principal, and I appreciate you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Enrique Moreno with the Roswell Community Disaster Relief. I want to thank Valley View Elementary School, the staff, the students, and family. What we saw here today was amazing. I've never seen so much cereal before. So I heard a little over 2,000 boxes of cereal. You know, anytime we pick up donations, we try to kind of gauge what an amount would be like, so we know how to schedule accordingly to move that kind of supply. And I was very overwhelmed when I came here because I realized I didn't bring a vehicle big enough. That's how much cereal there was here. It's definitely going to help us out for our 2 food banks that service low-income families, our seniors, the homeless community. We try to get it out there, and this is going to help alleviate some of us having to get those items. So again, I want to thank everybody. Thanks, for everything. It was amazing to see. God bless everybody. Thank you all for everything y'all did.